I can make your body touch and caress.